Alright, put that baby back where it came from.
The dumpster.
Hey buddy, you wanna play?
Put that baby back where it came from. Ooh, get brass all over it. And shoot. What the hell's going on, buddy?
It's like I'm on a fluffy cloud.
But
what a press out is kind of not fluffy.
kind of grassy, you know? Your buddy crawled to your favorite parrot. That's right. That's right. Screw daddy. Forget daddy.
Emmett.
Curl on the SpongeBob pants. That's right. Look at the colors.
What are you doing?
Look at your dad wearing all black and crap. Look at me. I'm wearing bright colors.
Brown. These are white.
Oh, you can't have that. Because then you're just going to take a horrible video. You don't have the skills of taking videos yet. You're not quite yet the director.